My project is digital watermarking to hide text messages. I have used steganography. Well, steganography is the art of embedding secret messages in a cover message such that apart from the sender and the receiver, no one can suspect the existence of the message. To be more precise, I have used least significant bit steganography, which is the part of image steganography. Before I can go to the further details, on a screen I have an image, or I can say this is a digital image, and every digital image is a finite set of digital value called pixels. Thousands of millions of pixels individual forms an image, and each pixel can have one color. So I worked with an RGB color model in which red, green and blue combine together to form different colors. Each of these can be represented in binary bits, as you can see on screen. By mixing 8 bits, pixel can be of any color. So each color is representing using 8 bits. 8 bits means we can represent maximum of 255 colors. So in a binary value we have a most significant bit and a least significant bit. If we change the MSB, then it will have large impact on the final value. For example, there is a 255 and its binary representation is 8 ones. So now if I change the most significant bit, which is the leftmost, from 1 to 0, the decimal value will change from 255 to 127. So as we can see, the amount of change is very huge and it has a large impact on the final value. On the other hand, if we change least significant bit, the decimal value changes from 255 to 254, which have so it will have really less impact on the final value. This is the concept which is used in least significant bit steganography. So in this method, LSB of an pixel of an image is replaced with the bit of this secret message. The result of this process alters the original output very slightly. So there you can see the cover image on the left before making any changes, and on the right there is stego image after replacing the least significant bit of a pixel of image with secret message. So cover image and stego image after hiding the data looks exactly same without any much difference. Now I'll show you the code and my secret message. Well, this is my message which is embedded in the image, and so to see the output I just to run my program, which is written in Python. I have passed two command line arguments. The first is D, which means decoded, and the image name. So I press enter. There you can see the output, hey, let's meet up tonight. So that's it.